President William Ruto nyitanĩire na etĩkia kanitha-inĩ wa IAC Milimani Nairobi kwa gĩtũgĩria ũhotani wa arĩa maranyitaga itemi ithurano-inĩ nini kiumia kĩhĩtũku kũrĩa harĩ mĩeke 21 kĩama kĩa UDA kĩrahotanĩra iturwa 12 ikĩro-inĩ cia mbunge wadi na ũseneta.
I continue to pray and I want to congratulate all of them from all the political parties and all the political formations. There is no leader who is elected by default or by chance. It is God who determines leadership, therefore, and to welcome them into leadership so that we can take our country to the next level.
Tutigetikire gutwara upinzani tuhingite maitho. Reke twiyurie mundu arugama mbere itu ni atia aratuteithia. Ni sera iriku araturehera. Ni barabara aratwitiria kana ni thitima kana ni mai kana ni ciana citu arethera mawira. Tutingituika andu a kurumirira siasa no ndo wa siasa peke yake.
Ukiona UDA inapata ushindi katikati ya tamu, wakati ule itatangazwa kwamba sasa ni uchaguzi ule main na rais apige gari yake start azunguke na aoneshane ile maendeleo amefanya, hawa wa upinzani tutamalizana nao saa 12 asubuhi kama vile rais anasema.
We mean business. Niliona rafiki yetu ule mtu ya shares akizungumuza maneno, akizungumuza, nikaona rafiki yangu Muturi anachapa kijana ngumi na mateke. Kura itafutu hivyo.
President augite bũrũri ndũrĩ gacĩra-inĩ ga gũthinĩkana kĩwonjoria, akiuga tabarĩra ĩrĩ rungu rwa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza nĩ cia kũruta Kenya ikĩro-inĩ cia gũkũra kahora.
I have great confidence in the future of Kenya. I have seen what God can do. 3 years ago, we were struggling with the economy, we were struggling with education. Our health system was not quite together. Our economy was not doing very well. But God has healed our economy. He has changed things for us.
Augite ũgacĩru wa wonjoria nĩguo hotithĩtie Kenya kwarĩra tabarĩra cia gĩkĩro kĩa barabara ya Rironi Mau Summit ya mũigana wa kilomita 175 na iria hararugũriria waki wayo mũthia-inĩ wa kiumia gĩkĩ.
Day before yesterday, when I was launching the biggest road stretch of 175 kilometers, that's going to unlock the potential of half of our country. I was very proud that finally God is opening spaces for Kenya. We will be doing another 4 or 5 or 6 of those major infrastructure in the coming year, and many of the other things that we have laid out to do.
Athiĩte na mbere kũhe Kenya mwĩhoko wa tabarĩra ingĩ kĩheri ĩrĩa ugĩte nĩ ĩkũruta Kenya ithimi-inĩ cia mabũrũri marĩa mareyũkĩrĩria.
It is possible to move Kenya from a third world country to a first world country before I die. It's possible. In the next, by the time I get to 90, Kenya should be a first world country. And that is just about 30 years from now. It's possible. Others have done it. I am very confident we will do it.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.